Hey, what's going on, everybody? Me and Amanda are going to try to go to this place that we went to, the Red Cliffs Conservation Area. We haven't gone to this trail before. We don't get to do these sort of things all the time, but it's a nice Sunday afternoon, and we got Mr. Big Lips there behind us. Jax. Yeah, he's ready. So we'll take you guys along with us, and yep, sit back, relax, whatever you guys are doing today. Have your favorite cup of coffee, tea, beer, whatever it is that tickles your fancy, right? Mama loves coffee, so. All right, we're gonna start heading out and take you guys with us. All right, Bob, come on. Over here. So we're at Red Cliffs Conservation Area. Had to park in the parking lot and then walk to this trail ahead. Mr. Jax is ready to go with his pack. His water, first aid kit. Red Reef Trail. This is where we're gonna go. Really pretty here. This is a nice alternative place to Zion National Park. It's a little ways away, not too far from it though, and get to see those really pretty rock sandstone formations here. Cottonwood, hold on, slow down. Cottonwood Canyon Wilderness. So far, good trail even for dogs. Really pretty. Right, Bub? You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Careful watching the rocks. Yeah. Hang on. Keep going. Beautiful. Look at that. This is a hidden gem, guys. Beautiful. Jax is enjoying it. Yeah, these rocks. Just be careful when you get your doggos. Oop, this way, bub. Good job, good job. There we go. Look at that. That's a nice sight with the sun setting. This is about late afternoon. We're getting started with this hike. Really pretty. Mama's coming.
That's pretty.
Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at this. Come here, Jax. That's pretty. So cool. And then, look at this little cutout there. Try to get up there, too. Potty bank. Yeah, it's really pretty. Gorgeous. There you go. Oh, look, there's Mama. Look at this. This is down in the creek bed. Now you're in the canyon. Look at that. Hang on, Bubba. Get up there. Stay. Ooh, look at this. Might be able to go around. Let's see. I don't know. Wow, cool. So this is where the water would come down. June, keep it all in. Gotta come over from this direction. There's Mama and then skirt the sledge. I think this is actually where the water will come down. A little bit of part of the dry season right now. Oh, see, that's where I came from. And this is where the water comes down. Right there. Into this. Look at that. This is just gorgeous. Hey, you guys gotta check this out. Phenomenal. Gorgeous views. Well, we are headed back to the car. The parking lot is right up here. It was a fun experience. Other than me getting halfway dunked in the water, be careful on sandstone rocks. It is very slippery. My bottom half is all wet. It's a good thing I did not have to walk that far. Make stupid mistakes, you learn from them. But it was actually, despite all that, that was actually a really, really, really pretty hike. It's only like 2.2 miles. I'd highly recommend that. It's really nice. Jax did fine on it. Yeah, but there's a parking lot right up here, and I have to close this out, and I gotta get dried off somehow, and get back home and get a nice warm shower or something to warm myself up. Well, we're back. It's so funny. Probably because luckily I have my dry vest that I left in the car. You guys can see this. I have boxers on, but I'm not going to subject you to that because I took my wet pants off. Be careful going around little pools of water, especially on sandstone. I mean, luckily I had my gloves, my hat, I left in the car, so I have some dry, warm clothes, but I'm not wearing any pants. So, such a loving support. We had fun. It was a good memory. Jax's had a good time. Got some good exercise, everybody. We're gonna head back. But yep, I would highly recommend this place. Again, this Red Cliffs conservation area is super fun. A lot of places to see. Yeah. Hope you get to see everybody else out there on the trail, and with hopefully non-wet pants. Cheers.